Hi guys, I'm here today to talk to you about the Dualsenses Color Revive Color Giving Conditioners and our new Color Giving Shampoos. Our Dualsenses color range offer perfect color maintenance, but even then, fading can be inevitable. When your client notices the first sign of fading, they can refresh and revive their color with Dualsenses Color Revive Color Giving Shampoos and Color Giving Conditioners. The Color Revive Color Giving Shampoos and Conditioners come in a range of shades that ideally complement the Goldwell color portfolio. Both the shampoos and the conditioners contain microPROtec complex and direct dyes, a unique combined technology to help maintain and refresh color direction. So what's the difference? Well, the conditioners contain a higher concentration of direct dyes than the shampoos. The shampoos replace lost dyes with every wash, while the conditioner boosts the color direction and fades gradually. The products are designed so that your client can choose which one fits best to their hair care routine. If your client tends to wash their hair every day, perceives a conditioner to be too heavy for their hair, or already has a specific conditioner that perfectly fits their hair care needs, then I would recommend the Color Giving Shampoo, as it is quick and easy and replaces lost dyes with every wash. If your client would like to combine conditioning with a color refresh, or currently uses a shampoo but would benefit from a higher level of care, then I would recommend the Color Giving Conditioners, which contain a higher level of care ingredients compared to the shampoos. Using a conditioner less frequently will give you a comparable result as using the shampoo with every wash. The more often you use a conditioner, the longer you leave it on the hair, the more intensive the result will be. Remember that the intensity will depend on the hair structure and porosity. So as you can see, the Dualsenses Color Revive shampoos and conditioners enable you to help clients refresh and intensify their color in the way that best fits their hair needs and hair care routine. If you want to dive deeper into Color Revive or learn more about our other Dualsenses products, check out our other videos.